Experience the perfect blend of style and thrill with the 2024 Honda CB300R. This lightweight and responsive machine is designed to excel in real-world riding conditions, offering easy-to-use power thanks to its compact single-cylinder engine. With a chassis that prioritizes precise handling and sporting comfort, the CB300R delivers an exceptional riding experience. In additon, last year's updates brought even more convenience with a gear position indicator on the LED instrument panel. Choose the CB300R for its economic value, premium build quality, and standard anti-lock brakes. Unleash your passion for riding with this impressive and stylish machine. Lightweight and minimalist, but also impressively capable, the CB300R is the ultimate entry-level sport naked machine, showcasing naked bike styling and delivering exemplary sporting performance. The model's exposed hardware and dramatic cutaway tail exude attitude, and it touts premium features from its larger capacity siblings, making the CB300R an affordable, approachable naked sport bike that can still be the center of attention. The CB300R compact single-cylinder engine is a dual with a free-revving, responsive nature. The engine also works extraordinarily well in real-world road riding conditions, providing plenty of power both around town and out on the highway. Light, strong steel chassis. The CB300R strives for a perfect combination of handling, power, and athletic comfort. Great handling starts with a superior chassis, which is why the CB300R uses special frame construction designed to be both light and strong. Inverted fork offers a smooth ride with compliant damping. The supple spring rate is just right for a bike this size. Unsprung weight, the tires, wheels, and brakes are super important in a sport bike. The CB300R lightweight aluminum wheels are a critical part of the bike's responsive handling. Plus, they look great too.